Hi, I thought I'd give you a quick update on some progress being made on the Arduino Mega LCC node. Now, previously I had made it a 47 channel. I could make it a 53, but I've decided to make it 48. And I'll show you the reason why. So here you can see the previous version of the 47 IOs. And obviously you've got this lot here. By the time you started putting details in, this soon got very messy. So I decided to split it, and I've split it into this situation I'm going to show you now. So here's the CDI, the new version. As I said, it's now 48 IOs. They can still only be taught one event, which again is still okay for me. And I'm going to show you a different version of Sketch in the next day or two. But what you'll notice here now, I've set it up so we've got 6 groups, and it goes from pin 3 to pin 10. So this number 1 would be pin 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then for the next set of batch of pins, we would go to here, and that would be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So I feel that will make it a lot easier. Now the other advantage with doing it this way, obviously I showed this type of device. So if we take a look at the page for the Arduino Mega, obviously this is the one I'm experimenting with at the moment. So you can see this is how you would connect it up to be able to get the MCP connected to it. So that's a work in progress. I've done that bit. By altering the code, I thought it would allow people to use this type of sensor shield on a standard Arduino Mega. Now, again, this is up to people and their own preferences, but this becomes one of the options available to you. And I just thought, well, I'd share the latest update with you. Another thing I'm working on at the moment is, this is a sketch that David sent me back in January, and I first had to play with it using it on an ESP32. It was originally written so it would run on a Nano, and the difference between this is basically going to give us 13 outputs. Now, what we did differently with this one is you can select the various pins that we can use. So these are the pins that are available to us on an Arduino Nano. And then what we've got is a total of 40 actions. So you can teach one pin multiple events from other modules. So this makes it more powerful. But the reason I'm looking at this is I think this might be nice on the Arduino Mega as well, where obviously we've got 40 odd pins available to us, and we could increase the number of actions. But I would then have to tidy this lot up here into some form of more friendlier interface. So again, this is another project that's being worked on. So not only did you choose the pins here, you could also do these with it. So either none, low, high, flash, double strobe, random, a fire and a fire off. Now I know David is also working on a version that will work with fast LEDs. Obviously this is designed for working with standard LEDs, or you could use it with these two here for relays and other things.